man who like King Slashy the first, the conquering land of the tribe of Judah, elect himself from the light of the world, yeah. MadaNature, alongside man like Sirayeli, Rastafari. Whoa, whoa, Mama Africa. The tyrants are falling, I hear them children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah. Mama Africa, the tyrants are falling, I hear the children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah.
It doesn't matter where you come from, you must be highly smartest and stand strong. Rastafari still is standing at the holy throne. Rastafari is an inborn concept, rootically trotting straight to such a man. Repatriation is still the master to the man. I hear the cry is still far from the land, while majestic he dies for the land. Why Babylon people still them a suffer? In a homeland you keep the roots that are tough, while Ethiopian stretch out them a hand. Remember land of Judah come here to conquer.
Mama Africa, the tyrants are falling, I hear them children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah. Mama Africa, the tyrants are falling, I hear the children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah. Rastafari, the great one, has said that he has noted I side the night, yes. With the spirit of love he has steered us to be one all through the coming years. Mama Africa, the land of my fathers, the land where Rastafari love to be. As the swift behave and suddenly get at thee, your children are gathered to thee. With red, gold and green is floating over I. With Emperor Selassie I to shield I from wrong. With ya and I future before I Rastafari MadaNature place I. Mama Africa, the tyrants are falling, I hear them children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah. Mama Africa, the tyrants are falling, I hear the children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah.
Hey Mama Africa mbokoto, kwinina ya pingila mboko jepati mkonto. Kwasi papilani kubenga tinje akontu, kwa sangeliswe limyol hainga madolo. Hungry must be fed, the edge be protected. 10 commandment must never be neglected. Exodus 20 keep the Sabbath at the holy. Rastafari man is still in them a holy. Holy,
the tyrants are falling, I hear them children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah. Mama Africa, the tyrants are falling, I hear the children are calling. Mama Africa, them are heartically calling over the distance, yeah.